Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install WordPress on FastComet servers. So just to give you a quick bit of a background, I have 4 servers running with FastComet and multiple websites. I find that they are very reliable. You can host fairly large websites with them, and they have a support ticket system that allows you to create a ticket and they will fix your issue fairly quickly and let you know how it's done. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how easy it is to install WordPress with FastComet. So FastComet have a one-click install. We have pointed our domain name because this is an additional site. I had to purchase a domain name, but I'll show you the process of now setting up that domain name in cPanel with FastComet, and then I'll show you how to install WordPress as well. So there is 2 parts to this video. So let's go ahead and take a look. So log into your cPanel with FastComet, and then scroll down to Domains and click on Add-on Domains. And then type in the new domain name, so how-to-create and so on .com, and then simply just click in the document root. It'll populate the folder name. You can then also create an FTP, so you could just call it admin and put a password in. And then simply click Add Domain. So this might take a few seconds, and then I've actually never seen this error before. It might be that the domain name has not been pointed yet and registered with FastComet. So this might be just pending a little bit more time, basically. And if you go over to your domain now and you type it in the URL, hit enter, and you get index of you potentially your pointing has worked with GoDaddy, and you've obviously potentially got it going on cPanel. So let's go ahead now and install WordPress. Go back to the cPanel area and then scroll down to Delicious Apps Installer, and then you can simply find WordPress and just click on it. You're currently on installs, and there's different tabs up here that you can look into as well. But then just over here there's a blue Install Now button. Basically just click on that. Your protocol usually would be either of these 2 if you don't have a security certificate, which is SSL. I generally just use this one here. Then choose your domain name. Make sure you pick your domain name that doesn't have the server name after it, so this one here and not this one. And then I like to put an underscore under this as well. This is basically, you never really have to worry about it, but it's just so that actually I would just leave it as blank. Put your site name in. Don't worry about the multi-site. You can change your username. Usually I just use admin or perhaps your email address, and then obviously put in your password, your email address, and I would potentially, because you can always change it later, change this to one of your current email addresses, so that, because what WordPress will do is it'll send you a lot of your admin details, especially if you're new to WordPress. Then you can simply just click on the links to go to your admin area. Select your language, select plugins. I usually just leave all this as it is. Click on advanced options, and I usually change the database name to something that's easier to view if you ever have to go into the database. I'm just going to call it our WordPress and prefix H. Yeah. Okay, so that it's giving us a error, and we can't obviously have underscores, and then cannot be longer than I wouldn't have any auto upgrades or disable notifications. I would basically just leave as it is. Oh, they've got this new function in here where you can email your installation details to your email address. So I'm going to actually use my Gmail one, but we'll go back up here and we'll leave it to this. So basically I will show you in another video how to set up an email using your server in FastComet. So just leave this section as it is, scroll down and just click the blue install button. It will then basically just do the install for you and take a few minutes. Also, it will show you a bit of a brief summary of your front end, which is your URL. Basically, it's what your visitors will see, and your back end or your admin panel is the same URL, but at the end of it, it's got /wp-admin/. So if we go and have a look at that by clicking on the link, it will take us over to this is our admin panel, and there we are. We've installed WordPress on FastComet with a new domain name, a new one that we've pointed from GoDaddy. So I hope you've seen how easy it is to install WordPress with FastComet. We did do a few different steps here because we have to also add a domain name on. However, if you've just signed up with FastComet and you've just got your first server and you got a free domain name with FastComet, then you don't have to go through and do the add-on domain like we just did. Basically, you'll just be able to do the WordPress install straight from when you log into cPanel, and just go down to Software and click on WordPress and go through that second part of the video. So using FastComet's inbuilt WordPress installer works really quickly, as you could just see by how we did it, and it really is that easy and just that simple. You can get your own WordPress website set up and running in no time. So if you like this video, hit the like button below or subscribe to my channel. or please find any links in the description below that will also help you in creating your own WordPress website. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.